funny one.
Say hey, everybody.
Hi, guys.
We're just chilling in bed today, aren't we?
Yeah.
Well, it's been a busy day for Mommy, but chilling in bed tonight with my bean on the holiday.
She got bad cramps.
They don't need to know that. Yes, I do. But I thought we would do a little more vlogging. We'll see how it goes. What's the matter?
And she has bad cramps in her stomach. Poor tummy.
Daddy just went to go get some sweet snacks for everybody, I think.
Maybe the slushy store.
Maybe. No gym today for me. I went yesterday. I'm going to try and go tomorrow for sure. But tomorrow, we're going to do a little shopping, aren't we?
Yeah?
And I'll bring you guys along. We'll go to some Dollar Trees and some...
Buy toys!
Maybe. And the Dollarama, and we'll check that out. And... I say and a lot. Hopefully we can do some filming and have some fun.
Like we can go to the park if it's not raining?
Maybe. Sorry, excuse me, guys. Yeah. So we'll see you all later.
Today.
For spring. This way. Winners. Okay, so I'm at the gym, and it is like hailing like crazy. Let me show you. Can you see? I'm sure you can hear it. So, yeah, I'm sure you can hear it. It's so loud. But I'm heading into the gym right now. Oh my God. Holy crap. I don't want to walk out in this. It is crazy. Alrighty, guys. Off to the gym. Today's the 18th. Morning, guys. Today is Monday. I don't know. I look like a mess, but I'm going to get dressed and go for coffee. And what else? Oh, go and see Brandy. And yeah, that's about it. Come with me today. Hey guys, so we are at Dollar Tree. I'm just about to go in. I went and got my coffee, and there's Dollar Tree. So let's see what we can get. Hey guys, okay, so just got out of Dollar Tree. Didn't show everything that I got. Where am I going now? Oh, I'm gonna go to the other Dollar Tree and see what they have, and then I will do a haul when I get home. And what else? I don't know. I'm not gonna, you guys won't stay there very long. Yeah, I'm gonna dye my hair, I think, today. With spring upon us, I'm going to be lightening just a little bit. Not a lot, just a bit. And yeah, so. Then there's the gym and stuff. Oh, I'm just gonna go take a peek over here. See what they have behind Walmart here. think so. Sometimes they have like things that work for bath bombs, but doesn't look like it. Okay. You're seeing a lot of my wheel and not a lot of me. Let's go to the other Dollar Tree. And it's hotter than hell today. Well, it feels hot anyway. I know it's not like hot right now, but you know. Sorry. I was thinking of doing another Q&A video and seeing, you know, what people want to know. Okay, we're about to go over a bump. Let's see if you guys stay. Yeah, look at you stay. I had plans for the day that got canceled, which is okay. It's not a big deal. Now I'm gonna spend the day just chilling and doing some DIY, possibly videos. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all later.
It wasn't.
my mini little stand here for my camera just busted off. So I'm gonna hot glue it because I saw somebody take the top off of a selfie stick, hook it onto this, and then you can like film with your phone easier. So yeah, thought I'd give that a try. Let's see how that works. Okay, so first attempt didn't work, and I had to peel it off. I'll just see how this second attempt works here. It's not even. I may just have to go and buy a new one. But we'll see. Put a little sand on, see how it does. Okay, didn't work. Went to spin on my camera and it just came right off. So that means I have to go to a dollar store and buy a new camera stand, mini camera stand, because I have a big one, but yeah, so, ooh, that sucked. Okay, totally didn't work. Tried again, and it's just not working, so have to get a new one. That blows. That really freaking blows. So, I don't know about filming, but we'll see. We will see. Anyway. Bella can do the alphabet backwards. Go for it.
Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. If you like this, please put a thumbs up. Do not download this to other people, even if it's your cousin. And subscribe!
Only my dog will sleep on anything. She's laying on top of a bag of garbage. Maya, you're on the garbage.
Hi.
Hi. What do you think about Maya sleeping on garbage?
A little bit weird, but in dog years, she'd say, if I could heal her, she'd say, I love this. But
Yeah. Maya, you're on a bag of garbage.
Alot.
Whoa.
Dance like you were before. Yeah, on the weekend, Lee.
What's the big eyeballs for?
okay,
I'm on YouTube.
I got
Not very long. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. I'm so cute. You know you want to mooch me. What do you think, guys? Future makeup look?